In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter your opening bank balance in Xero. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to enter, so your bank account starts in Xero with the correct figure. Before we begin, have your bank's closing balance and the exact date you're starting in Xero handy. This is usually the balance from the day before you begin recording transactions in Xero, often called the conversion date. Start on your Xero dashboard and go to the accounting menu. This takes you to the area where your financial settings live. From there, open Accounting Settings. This page controls core configuration for your organization, and it's where you'll find the place to set your starting figures. Next, select Conversion Balances. Conversion balances are Xero's way of recording your opening numbers when you first move on to the system, so your reports and bank accounts begin with accurate totals. Think of this as setting the baseline so everything you do from today onward lines up with your real-world bank statement. On the Conversion Balances page, choose Add New Line. You're creating a new starting balance entry. In the line that appears, select the account. Pick the bank account you're setting up from your chart of accounts. Be sure you choose the exact bank account that matches your statement, name and last 4 digits if shown, so the opening balance lands in the right place. If you have more than one bank account, you'll add a separate line for each one using the same process. Now enter the value. Type the balance as it appears on your bank statement as of your conversion date. If there's money in the bank, enter a positive amount. If the account is overdrawn, enter a negative amount. Accuracy here is essential because this figure becomes the starting point for reconciliations and will flow through to your reports. Double check the number of decimals and the currency if you use multiple currencies, and make sure the date you're basing this on matches your chosen conversion date. When you're happy with the details, click Save. Xero will record that opening balance against the selected bank account. After saving, it's a good idea to glance back at your bank account in Xero to confirm the starting figure looks right. If something doesn't match your statement, return to Conversion Balances and adjust the value so it ties perfectly. That's it. You've entered your opening bank balance in Xero, setting a clean foundation for accurate reconciliations and reporting from day one.